Hi, this is Malini. Today I'm going to show you Hoya Carnosa, also known as wax plant. Hoyas are native to East Asia and Australia, and these are popular houseplants because they're known for this beautiful glossy green waxy foliage or leaves. It grows to about a foot long. Here we have a long one here. See how it grows kind of cascading down on the edge of the pot. So it's great either in the container such as this one or in a hanging pot. Has pink to whitish flowers that are star-shaped and they grow in clusters. It's a great indoor plant that needs bright, indirect light, water about once a week to once every 10 days, thoroughly water it reaches to the bottom of the drainage, goes through the bottom of the drainage hole. Now outdoors you would water about once a week as well, but you might need to water a little bit more, maybe twice a week if it gets really hot, especially in the summer. Can take partial light, not direct sun. It's not frost or cold hardy, so you do want to protect it when in extreme temperatures. So again, you're looking for a great plant to take care of for indoors, especially a hanging one. This is a great option to have for your house. Thank you for watching.